If you are into web design, mobile design, look no further. Gemini Aura is your wish fulfillment. There is free tier and paid tier. If you just want to play around with it, you are going to be satisfied with basic package. If you want something more, check paid programs. You can also select from various templates for web or mobile. And this is definitely my favorite part, animations. You can look at design in general or you can check components. Let's see buttons. There is almost impossible for you not to find something that you are going to like for your website. Let's see cards. And by the way, when we talk about templates, you are going to find both free and templates with prices. And if you want to learn more about Gemini Aura, check Learn. You are going to find a ton of information about this project. On top of all of that, if you have some good design that you want to sell, you can do it too. And in here you can also find a lot of video tutorials, subjects from prompting on. And now, what is so special about this project? You literally don't have to know anything about web design, mobile design, design in general, styles, art, programming. You are just going to write what you need and you are going to get it. So let me show you how it works. Check create and let's write something. Alright, my prompt is simple. I want web design for autonomous farm. Dominant color must be light green with white sand effect. I want pictures of nature and robotics and automation. Also, I want to see various agricultural products like grain, beans, rice, fruits and so on. Let's see what we are going to get. Okay, it's done. Let me see what we have. Looks awesome. And all of that from only 2 sentences. Now, if you want to make some minor change in here, you have these 3 tabs. You can deal with fonts, or let me show you colors. You can change color pattern, or let's go with blue, or let's go with dark mode. Now let's see how it's going to look on mobile. But if you want to make your hands dirty and make some changes yourself, you have code tab. That works like any other code editor. So final word, if you are into any kind of web or mobile design, Gemini Aura it's must try. It offers so many possibilities for so little work. So guys, I hope that you learned something new and interesting. Please like, subscribe, see ya!